This is the tutorial training for the T30 series Yealink handsets. With the handset down, the volume control will control how loud the handset rings. While on a call, the volume keys will control how loud the caller is via the earpiece. On speaker, the volume keys will control how loud the speaker is. When the handset is in an idle state, the four soft keys below the display will show History, Directory, Do Not Disturb, and Menu. The History key, when pressed, will display all calls on this handset. You can scroll through using the right-hand arrow key to display missed calls, placed calls, and received calls. To come out of this, simply press the back key. The directory key will display all internal extensions as well as external numbers stored within the site directory. To come out of this, simply press the back key. The DND or Do Not Disturb key will put your handset into a Do Not Disturb state. While in Do Not Disturb, your handset is effectively busy. Internal callers will then get busy tone or your voicemail if enabled. To turn DND off, simply press the key again. Down the side of the handset, you have a mute key. Press this once to enable mute. You can still hear the caller, but they cannot hear you. Press it again to go back to the call. A headset button, to enable headset mode if you have a headset connected. When enabled, this key will light up green. A voicemail key. When pressed, this will play your personal voicemails. Next one down is a redial key. This will do exactly the same as the history key and display all of your past calls. And finally, a speaker key to turn your phone hands-free. To make a call, there is no need to dial any 9 prefix. Simply dial the number direct. Once you have dialed the number, you can wait or press the green call key to initiate the call. Once the call is answered, simply pick up the handpiece to talk to the person. You can also dial the number with the handpiece lifted. To hang up a call, simply replace the handpiece. The 4 soft keys below the screen will change depending on the state of the handset. When you make a call, the keys now become Transfer, Hold, Conference, and End Call. To transfer a call, press the transfer key. Dial the extension number you wish to transfer the call to. By pressing B trans, the call will be put straight through, or you can wait and your phone will call the person. When they answer, you can announce the call and press the transfer key to put the call through. You can also press swap to go back and forth between the calls. Conference to join that person into the original call with yourself. Or end call to finish speaking to the extension and return to your original call. For this example, we will transfer the call. On a successful transfer, you will get a notification on the screen to say transfer complete. To place a call temporarily on hold at the handset, simply press the hold key. The screen will now indicate the call is on hold. To get the call back, you can either press the resume key or the flashing green line key. The conference key allows you to join multiple calls together. While on a call, press the conference key, then dial the internal or external number you wish to join the call. Announce that you have a conference call you would like them to join. and press the conference key again to join them. It is worth noting that whomever initiates the conference is the lead on that call. If you start a conference and hang up, it will cut all parties off. If another member of the conference hangs up, it does not affect the call. The end call key will terminate the current call, regardless of whether you are on speaker or using the handpiece. If you have other extensions programmed as keys on the side of the screen, these keys will show you the condition of these extensions. A green light shows the extension is available. A red light indicates that extension is busy, and gray indicates the handset is offline. To program the keys on your handset, this can be done via the PC software, or you can press and hold the key you wish to program. Change the type to BLF. Scroll down and give the key a label. Then under Value, enter the extension number. Press the Save key to store this. You can do the same with external numbers. The menu key will open a page with 8 icons. Many of these are accessible elsewhere. The directory key will bring up your extension and company phone book. The history key replicates the history key on the main screen and will list the call history of this handset. The message key will give you access to your personal voicemail. The one to note is the status key, as this will give you information about the handset which our support team may require if you have issues.